Hi friends! Today we're going to make learning spoken English super fun with a game of questions and answers. I'll ask simple everyday questions and you'll learn how to answer them in clear English. By the end, you'll be ready to speak confidently in real-life conversations. So let's begin.
Who are they?
They are French.
What is that?
That is a guitar.
Who is she?
She is a nurse.
Who is that?
He is an artist.
Where is he?
He is at school.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
Where is your book?
It is on the table.
What are you doing?
I am reading.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
What is your hobby?
I like painting.
Is this your pen?
Yes, it is.
What's your favorite game?
I like football.
What color is your car?
It is red.
Is it raining?
Yes, it is.
How do you feel?
I feel happy.
What is your favorite subject?
I like math.
Can you play the piano?
Yes, I can.
What is your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What is in your bag?
I have books and pens.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, it is.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I do.
Are you going to the party?
Yes, I am.
How do you get to school?
I walk to school.
Can you speak English?
Yes, a little.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Are you busy right now?
Yes, I am working.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in April.
Do you like ducks?
Yes, I love them.
Can you play basketball?
Yes, I can.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you have enough money?
Yes, I do.
Can you meet me tomorrow?
Yes, I can.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
What did you buy?
I brought a new set.
Hello, dear parents. We work really hard to create fun, safe, and educational content to help your child learn and grow every day. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support our efforts in making learning joyful for your little ones. Thank you for being part of their learning journey.